He flips the colors, and bam! The picture is in all different shades now. Mind-blowing piece. He draws 3 pictures at the same time, using just his hands. That's some serious multitasking. He creates cool flip books that come to life when you thumb through them. She shapes soft wool into an adorable cat figure. This craft is called needle felting. The 3D artwork makes a spring seem to pop out of a pillar. Perspective is key. Anna Zhuravleva makes beautiful paintings. Her art shows women in dreamy scenes. She uses gold leaves. Slava Zaitsev makes art using staples. He's playing Tetris on a huge building using a projector. This is called architectural projection mapping. He built a cool wooden Christmas tree that twists like a spiral. It's a fun, unique decoration. This guy snips paper to create Ariana Grande's portrait. It's a cool art form called paper cutting. You just need paper and sharp scissors to try it. Darla Jackson creates bird knuckle art. It's strange but interesting. You can find similar nature-inspired sculptures online. David Speed paints murals that look like neon signs. He uses special paint to make them glow. Nicholas Coolridge moves his body in amazing ways. He does flips and tricks on Instagram. He's also a stuntman. Nayane Capistrano makes mouth-watering food videos. Her cooking clips are popular on social media. She's Brazilian. Urban Theory is a fun dance group. They mix hip-hop with other styles. They were on America's Got Talent. One second he's biking, then suddenly he's soaring over rooftops. Dreams can be wild. His pencil drawing looks so real, you might mistake it for a photo. Patience is key. He turns wood blocks into fancy high heels. It's amazing how he shapes them. You can paint these wooden shoes too. He sketches a foot on a pillar, then blends it with the surroundings. It's a cool optical illusion. You can fool your friends with this trick. Mark Rocks creates mind-bending 3D illusions on Barcelona streets. The process takes days of careful planning. He sprays paint from a special glove to make graffiti. This technique gives more control. This guy sketches a small portrait inside a glass bottle. It's really cool and detailed. You need special tools and steady hands. It's called impossible bottle art. Colin Schaub creates cool paintings by pouring and spinning paint on canvas. His art is colorful and unique. You can watch him work online. He sketches a Picasso-style picture in the sand. It looks really cool. Sand art washes away, so take photos to keep it. This couple wears glowing suits that make them look like dancing stick figures in the dark. It's a fun party trick. You can buy similar light-up costumes online. David Ambarzumjan paints city scenes with a twist. He adds nature or history over parts of the cityscape. His work shows changes over time. Nidhi Sampat Thakrar makes cool lettering art. She uses different styles and colors. She's based in Mumbai. They take photos inspired by Marvel superheroes. The pictures look like movie scenes. They use cool costumes. She uses her body to create art through movement. Her graceful poses make interesting shapes.